Hello and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we will see how to increase your laptop speed whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let's get started. First, press Windows plus R and search for prefetch, prefetch. Then click on continue. And here you will find lot of junk and encrypted files are there in your laptop. Those are not useful, so just select one file, press Ctrl plus A and press Shift plus delete button to delete them. So why we are pressing Shift? So it will not store this file in recycle bin, it will directly delete this file. So just delete all these files. After that, again press Windows plus R and here search for temp. Then click on OK. Continue. And here you will find lot of junk encrypted files are present. So just click any one, press Ctrl plus A, and to delete press Shift and delete. Now it will delete this file permanently. We will skip. Again press Windows plus R, and now this time we will enter %sign temp and again %sign, then click on OK. And here also we will find some unnecessary folders created that these are not created by you, these are created by default. So press any one folder, Ctrl A and Shift plus delete and click on yes. So it will delete all these unnecessary temp files. So now we have deleted all cache from our system. Do this all item and skip. Close this. Now again press Windows R and this time enter cleanmgr and press OK. Select C drive, click OK and it will clean. So just select internet file, thumbnail, recycle bin also I want to erase. So I'll check recycle bin, Windows, reports, DirectX, delivery optimization file. Check everything here and just click on OK. So it will clean all these files. So basically it will clean all the unnecessary files from C drive. Now after this, if you are using Windows 11, so now the settings which I am showing to you are specially for Windows 11. So just go to settings. Now here go in privacy and security. In that Windows security, go back. Here you will find diagnostic and feedback. In this, keep this off because it is sending all your computer related data to Microsoft. So we don't want to send optional data. So just keep this off. After that, go in gaming. In gaming, allow your controller, so keep it on. In game mode also keep this on so that it can optimize your laptop for gaming or any heavy task. So keep this setting on. After that, go in battery, system powers and battery. So we will look for battery. So power and battery. In this, what you can do, you can switch this power mode. So I am already running gaming mode, so that's why it is not showing me balance. So in your case it may be show balance performance optimized, so you can select that. So for gaming PC, it will not show any option. Then after that, go in accessibility. So I'll go in accessibility. In this, what you have to do, we can go in visual effect and turn on these two settings so that it will not consume more power on generating effect. So keep these two settings on, and after that in task manager, go in task manager. We will close this. Just right click on your bottom taskbar, go to task manager and see which applications are running currently. So here I can see my Chrome is running. I am not using Chrome right now. Still the Chrome application is running. Windows Explorer is running. So you can right click on this and you can end the task. So if I have to end Google Chrome, I'll right click and I'll click on end the task. So it will close this application. I can see in background also many applications are running. I'm not using WhatsApp, still WhatsApp service is running, so I can right click and I can end these services, so it will not consume more memory in my laptop. After that, you can go in appwiz.cpl. So press Windows plus R and type appwiz.cpl and hit enter. So here it will show all the applications installed in your system. So just check which application is useful and which you are not using. So I am not using this Sharp driver or this XAMPP application also. This putty application also I am not using, so I will uninstall this. So in this way you can uninstall unnecessary application which are installed in your system, and you can make your memory free, your RAM free. I'll close this now. Then one more thing, you can search for startup application, START. So go in startup app setting. Here you will find all the application which are by default starting with your Windows. Means whenever you are starting your laptop, these applications are getting started with your Windows. So keep all applications off so that you can start which the application which you have to use. So suppose if you have to use Microsoft Edge always, so you can keep it on, so it will get started with when you are starting your laptop. So other application, keep all applications off so that they will not start at the startup. So all these settings you have to do, you have to clear the caches and you have to do all these settings. So it will make your laptop speed or your desktop speed fast. And one more thing you can do, you can turn off animations also. So animation, so you have to find that in settings, go to settings and search for animation. So animation effect. If you keep this animation effect, see it will not show the animation, it will directly close. Now if I am pressing on start button, see it will not come in animation, it will come directly, the pop-up will come in directly. So this will help to visualize things more faster. So right, in this way you can increase your laptop speed. And if you are facing any issue, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.